High Republic Jedi Master uses Dark Rey's iconic Switchblade lightsaber in official Star Wars art. Rey's dark side vision introduced a new Switchblade-style lightsaber, but that lightsaber has another origin with a Jedi Master from the Old Republic. The era of the High Republic had many interesting designs when it came to Jedi and their weapons, and now Star Wars has provided an even clearer look at one familiar Switchblade lightsaber in official art. The High Republic, Into the Dark by Claudia Gray covers a period of Jedi history that transpires hundreds of years before the events of the original trilogy. The story takes place on the edges of known space, covering the great hyperspace disaster that destroyed many moons. One of the Jedi Masters involved is Orla Jareni, who had recently declared herself a Jedi Wayseeker at the time. In the art that was posted to X by user at 5healthMono, Jedi Master Orla Jareni is shown wearing the cream-colored robes of the Jedi and wielding her Switchblade-style lightsaber, the same style seen in Rey's vision of herself to the dark side. The art is specifically for the Japanese edition of the High Republic, Into the Dark, and includes the character's name in Japanese characters in the caption. In an interesting twist, Orla Jareni's Switchblade lightsaber is the same golden color that Rey's final lightsaber blade takes at the end of Star Wars: The Rise of Skywalker, indicating that Orla Jareni could have been an influence in Rey's character journey. In the time of the High Republic, the Jedi Order had several distinctions among them that have yet to be acknowledged in the live-action canon so far. Wayseekers referred to the Jedi who operated outside of the official Jedi Order, yet still retained their status as a Jedi. They could still go on Jedi missions and assist with interplanetary issues, but they did so outside the dictation of the High Council. Being designated as a Wayseeker fell out of practice among the Jedi by the time of the Star Wars prequel series, though there were still records of the history of Wayseekers. As a Padawan first learning about the concept, Obi-Wan Kenobi had the thought that his unconventional master Qui-Gon Jinn would have become a Wayseeker if he'd been given the option. Though the tradition dissipated, Star Wars has proven that Wayseekers remained an influence on future generations of Jedi.